Ina locked in. She is.
Sorry, guys.
She's okay, guys. Don't worry. I already see you coming with the... Ina seemed really sad this last
No,
week.
I'm not sad. I'm okay, guys. Everything's good. I'm just hyper focused on everything, and I'm... Yeah. Yes. I'm... You know, like greenish.
Oh, you're gonna hate me.
Yeah. I already know that. It's okay.
The glitter. Anyway. Granny Ina. Yes, she's very granny coded right now. You're very little granny.
Alors, je sais pas pourquoi il reste tout ça, non. C'est peut-être des pièces en plus.
Is it extra? Maybe it's
Yeah.
extra. Should we put them back in there?
Yeah.
Okay. But maybe it's for the next thing too. Sometimes they leave like some pieces in like the next thing. Okay. Glinda the
Okay,
the
look.
not good singer.
It's a little patio. I guess. I don't know what this fucking brick is going on.
It's so cute.
It's a tree.
It's a tree.
So we have a tree and a bike.
Have you seen that?
A tree and a bike.
This is the face of the wizard, I think. This is crazy.
Package number 2. I wanna die.
No,
It's okay.
no death.
Oh,
Glinda!
Glinda!
Can I see it? Where is it?
Somewhere behind me.
Ah, it's here. Okay, guys, it's my package. This is so satisfying. It's great that they, because I bought Ina's Peter Pan Legos up there. I don't know if you can see them here. And it was all plastic, and now I see that it's paper. So good for the environment. Maybe a little better.
Ça.
I don't know.
Merde.
Bah mets-les là sur le côté. Ici. Ok. Faut juste pas qu'ils tombent. Ok. Let's build Glinda. I don't know. Wrong side. It's so cute. I think building the characters is actually my favorite part. Maybe. Where's her face? In there?
Wait.
Why would her face be in there? Strange. Ah, you're right. Her face is in there. Ah, let's go. This is very satisfying. Great. Aki! Yeah. Do you see what I'm seeing? Okay. Oh, she's so cute. Hold on. I'm showing you. Oh. See, her hair is different than the actual Glinda. Like she... Oh! Her crown. Where's her crown? Hold on. Quel jour à la Japan Touch Show? Si on vient, les deux. Bon, allez. Allez, tu rentres. Maintenant. Okay, cool. And she has her little scepter. Hold on. Today's my birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Oh, and it was the birthday of...
Yes, someone that we met at Paris Manga.
Yeah, sorry.
I don't remember your name.
But happy birthday if you're watching the live.
Yes. What was your name?
Thank you for the gift.
I remember your face, but your name. Ah. Odor. Hold on.
Odor.
Oh. Yodor.
Game of Thrones.
Odor. Wait, I don't understand. Can you help me?
Yeah.
See, like these parts, I can't tell which one they're supposed to be. Is it this? This. I think it's
that's
one
this.
like this and one like this.
Yes. And then...
Ah, I'm so smart. Thank you. Thank you, sweetie.
No worries.
Okay. Ah, I didn't put it correctly. Sorry guys.
Magic?
I'm a big girl
Magic trick?
and I can do a lot of things on my own. Except open water bottles. Apparently. Okay. We good guys. Oh! Bulk I know.
Oh, thank God.
Okay guys. Yippee! You tell me if you want me to do something. And
Okay.
you entertain.
Yeah.
You don't feel like talking?
I don't know. Yeah, I can talk.
Oh my cutie! You are so elfie coded right now. You're so elfie. You really are.
I can talk.
And I'm
You are really Glinda coded too. You know that? I love that.
we do?
Great duo.
No!
Oh, no, okay.
Please give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Yeah. Pink goes good.
With green. Goes well with green.
Goes well with green.
Yeah. Sorry, girlfriend moment.
We need that to live, you know.
Yeah. Oh, I hope you're having a good time.